Hello guys, welcome back. Arbab is here. In this video, I will teach you a 4-step of ICT. If you want to be a trader of ICT concept, you must know this 4-step before you apply the ICT strategy. Otherwise, you will confuse on many points on the market. So make sure you watch this video till end. The most important and the first thing is the timing. You have to know about the timing. So here is the 2 settings for you to know about this. First of all, your chart on tradingview.com must be on UTC-4 or New York time, okay, because most ICT concepts, most ICT strategies only in New York session, almost every, okay, so make sure you have New York session. Okay, after that we have 3 sessions always on every day. We have a Asian session, we have a London session, and we have a New York session. Okay, so in many videos ICT guys said in New York open or London close or Asia open, Asia close, so you don't know, or sometime you confuse or searching by this line where is the time and everything, etc. So the very simple, go to the indicator tab and write the FX and Asian session range. Okay, once you apply these setting, this chart will be open, so you have to do a little bit settings or of this. Okay, so what I do, I have to I change nothing, only the Asian green color, okay, and London blue color and New York red color, and that's it. Okay, so it will be clear out these your settings about timing, that this is the our Asian range, this is the London range and New York range. Okay, so it will be helpful for you. The most important, liquidity. If you don't about the liquidity, if you understand the liquidity, you don't need to listen ICT concept or anything. Okay, because ICT 90% work on liquidity. Okay, so what is the liquidity? Liquidity, it can be equal highs, it can be the old session low or high, it can be previous day low and high, it can be previous week low and high, it can be a relevant recent market structure. Okay, so here everywhere you see a liquidity. Okay, it can sweep and then market go to the opposite direction. It can sweep like here, I will show you. Okay, it sweep here. Okay, liquidity, it's take out the orders and market go downside, and then what happened here, also market take out the liquidity of Asian low, opening of London, and go up opposite side of liquidity and take out the opposite orders and then go to the downside. So everything is going on liquidity. Liquidity is equal to the orders of the retail traders that taken by the hedge funds or the banks. Okay, the third important point is imbalance. Okay, so imbalance we have to find on the higher time frame as well and the lower time frame as well, according to the ICT strategies. Okay, so imbalance is basically called a fair value gap, a displacement. Their price, if it reach to that area, it will surely react. Okay, so if we have found this, for example, this area, let me show you some example here that will very good multiple confluences entries for you. Okay, so as you see, price go down and come back to this fair value area and give us a good reaction. So you will ask properly, why we did not get reaction on here, on another area or somewhere else. Okay, so let me tell you something and show you something. Okay, here what I said you in a previous one, a liquidity graph. Okay, here is a previous liquidity is available. Okay, so as you see, price take out this relevant high as a liquidity. Okay, and then what he do, we will see this timing. Okay, let's see to the bar replay and see what is the timing going on accordingly here. Okay, the first thing we see the liquidity. Okay, and this is the recent chart, not I'm going not a back side. Okay, this is a recent maybe this is 22th of June. Okay, so I am also making video on 22 June. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame and see what is this timing. What is the is this in kill zone? Yeah, you see what happened he take out the liquidity on London session, okay, and price shoot down on New York session, okay, and create a fair value gap, an imbalance in the market. So it means someone is sitting here to push down the price opposite direction on opposite liquidity side, okay. So what happened then, price goes and take out this liquidity, okay. As you see, is price take out liquidity, but I did not come to downside here. Is take out these liquidity, who take out the orders of the people here who are consolidate and waiting for a breakout structure. Breakout, you see here is a 4-hour time frame, and you see the breakout, and thus many aggressive traders come here, and then the SL will be hit, and then price go upside. Is a very simple strategy, very simple concept of liquidity, okay. Then, and create a fair value gap in a kill zone area. So the price once come to that area, it will surely react. Not believe on my words, go to the chart and see it's happen again and again on every single day, on every single week, on every single month, okay. The last one, but not least, is very important, called premium and discount. In premium and discount, what is this? I put a setting already. I do a setting. I mark high and a low, okay. So here the setting 0, 50% and a 1, okay. After once why ICT use these and when it's use it, okay. So you see here also you understand the concept, and also you can make a trading plan for you as well after you see this video, okay. So here you see price take out the liquidity, okay, the first confluences, okay. After that, you also mark out a fair value gap in a kill zone hours, and after take out this huge old almost 2-3 month old liquidity gap, okay. So you have first confluences, liquidity gaps, and then second confluences, the price will come to this area on this fair value gap, okay. The third confluences is you use a premium and discount Fibonacci tools, where you mark the high and the low of this displacement move who took out this structure, market structure shift, okay. And then you see if anything above 0.5 is your buying area. It can be your order block, okay, sorry, it can be your order block, it can be your order block, it can be your a fair value gap, it can be anything, okay, after upside of a 0.5 area. And same goes to the for selling. If anything below 0.5, we only anticipating price to go upside. If price is up to the 0.5, the 50%, we only anticipating to price go downside, okay. So make sure you clear this and use this tool. You can check the setting here 0%, 1 and 5. Here we have 2.5 as well, 6 point as well for many strategies, but we only use for this ICT is a 1, 0.5 and 0, okay. If you enjoy this video, make sure you hit our hit subscribe button to our YouTube channel, make like, and make sure you join our a free Telegram group where I post my strategy on my base strategy trading setups, where on my given area price just touch and go, is not make a consolidation or not make you stuck for a 1 day, 2 days. Price will hit on my given area and it go according to our TP or SL instantly, okay. So make sure you join this one. It's a free, and after I got a 1000 subscriber on my YouTube channel, guys, I will share this strategy. It will be really helpful for you, okay. So meet you in the next video. Best of luck.